where the bushman sings and those dingoes howl, you can see the strangest things, and I'll tell you now that the strangest thing you ever will see, you won't believe your eyes. It's a black crow flying backwards to keep the dust out of his eyes. I have seen a kangaroo thirsty from the drought hop into a country pub and buy the boys a shout. He bought an extra dozen and put them in a pouch. Then he gave a grin and left the pub, hopping with a slouch. I've seen an old goanna play the didgeridoo. He played "Oh Susanna, come back to the old Baku." And all the other goannas, from the grandson to the granny, joined their hands and did a dance called the old goanna hoot nanny. I have seen a black wombat throw the boomerang at the nearest bank of clouds and make the thunder clang. The lightning fell out on the ground, the rain came tumbling down. It was the greatest flood ever seen since Noah was around. Oh, out where the bushman sings and those dingoes howl, you can see the strangest things, and I'll tell you now. The strangest thing you ever will see, you won't believe your eyes. It's a black crow flying backwards to keep the dust out of his eyes.
Oh. Oh, I think that was a bit windy for the throat.